oil pressure. This is part 2 of this flight. Avionics coming on. Nav lights on, strobe lights on, still on standby.
How do you play? 2.
3.
And Madison, driver Grumman 440, turn them final 21, Madison. Madison traffic, RV flight of 3 is, we're leaving the fuel pump, taxi runway 21, Madison.
Okay, I don't know how much I'm going to be talking during this flight either. I'll say what I can when I can. We just refueled in Madison, and I thought we were going to have a simple flight back to Louisville, but we're going to practice a little bit more with full tanks, so we can't be as aggressive as we were flying out here because of the full fuel tanks. Full fuel tanks. Full fuel. Full fuel. Boy, that's a good one. Alright, here we go. A leaf on the wind. I am a leaf on the wind. One 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, go. Airspeed is alive. Oil pressure is good. Oil pressure is still good. Ooh, getting in their wake. Flip-flopping around in their wake. Oh, I'm rushing right up on them.
As the traffic, RV flight of 3 is maneuvering southwest of the airport, man. You approaching Madison, what was your position? We're about 8 miles to the west right now, RV 4 Big Bravo. Okay, RV flight of 3, we're going to be overflying a few open over Madison, and our left downwind to the approach runway 21, Madison.
A leaf on the wind. I'm a leaf on the wind.
That's the traffic, RV flight of 3 is overflying midfield. And left downwind to the approach runway 21, Madison.
Put a little down trim in. I'll have constant stick pressure. Change the spinner. Looking off 2.
Madison traffic, RV Flight 3, west downwind runway 21, Madison.
Rudder away, got a little close there. The spinner looking off 2.
Madison traffic, RV Flight 3, left base, and final roll approach only, runway 21, Madison. And Madison driver Grumman 26440 from the ramp, text down to 21. Got traffic on base inside Madison.
Oh man, look at this. Look at this. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Madison traffic, RV Flight 3, leaving the area to the south. Madison traffic, RV 4 Victor, Alpha 4 to the west, across midfield 100, left downwind, runway 21, Madison. Replay, push tax. Replay, check in and op check. 2, 3. Alright, powering up. We're gonna get up some altitude here. Alright guys, I'm gonna get you guys back together in like a 180-degree turn so we're end up going the right direction when we're done. But this next thing will be the Cubanate breakup into the barrel roll extended trail with the smoke on. And I'm just going to leave the power up where it's at, so we're going to be flying a little faster than normal. Coming left.
He's getting sucked. Sorry about that, I had the firewall to catch back up.
No problem. Hey, I'm going to actually run this way because we got a nice road down here for use for kind of get orientation when we're upside down and going the other way. So.
There's a signal for me to make space for 2. Come out here. There's 2 crossing over. He glances over just to make sure that I have space.
Give you a break up for half Cuban, 2-second interval, acknowledge. 2,
3.
Power's coming up a little bit. Power set, smoke on. Descent. Lead, hold, now.
1 1000, 2 1000, 1 1000, 2 1000. Ah, yeah, much better picture. was much better.
Okay, 3 in.
3's in.
Here comes the barrel roll. Both off. Slow into 130, left rejoin. 3 in, still got everybody inside?
3's good.
Power's back, slow in 130.
Wait. 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 All right. Triangle's forming up. There's my triangle. A touch of Q because the triangle opened up. Leveling out a little bit.
That was perfect. Yep, tighten it up a little bit, come through close trail. Come closer, you get sucked. Much better, yep, that looked good too at the end. You guys see that plane go by us? No.
Isn't that Lee's job?
We didn't have a 4 shift. Rolling out. Yeah, it was like, I don't know what it was, Grumman or something came, kind of threw us in that turn circle there, but there was no fracture. Alright, we'll fly over just a little bit and then recover at Bowman.
Alright, now we're going in for the overhead landing. We're in a fingertip, or Vic at the moment.
Right close traffic for a flight, making a left
When we get a little bit closer,
close traffic for
1 will push me out so that 2 can slide in between for an echelon, and then we're going to do an overhead brake to the left. There's a signal. Making space. 2's coming over. I'm looking at 2, looking at 1, looking at 2, looking at 1. Got a little suck there, but now I'm coming up on 2. Looking at 2, looking at 2. Burning a little smoke. Looking at 1, looking at 2. Birds flying by. Looking at 2, looking at 1. Looking at 2. Looking at 2. Here comes the smoke on my canopy. Looking at 1, looking at 2. 1 1000, 2 1000, 1 1000, 2 1000.
Call base.
Alright, smoke's off. Pump on, got brake pressure, gas is on the fullest tank, undercarriage is good, mixture is full rich, pump is on, seatbelts, D-gums. 1 just took off of the perch, 2's on the perch, waiting, I'm slowing down, 90 knots, 80 knots. 2 is off the perch, I'm approaching the perch, going a little slow, so I'll go ahead and come off the perch. 85 knots, going to put a little flaps in. Got my runway, got 1, got 2, 2's dribbling a little smoke. Oop, got a little far there at the end. Oop, I think smoke actually.
Warrior 26 X-ray, roger, turn left on Alpha, runway 24 taxi to
I'm fast.
Taxiing to Alpha 24, 26 X-ray.
Full flaps. I'm high. Flip it down a little bit. Over the threshold, 1,000 feet. That looks pretty good.
RV flight, left 181, contact ground off, good day. I'll turn over to ground, RV flight.
I landed a little short. Two, your smoke's on.
I got it. Bowman ground, RV flight of 3 is clearing at Bravo, going to the east.
RV flight, Bowman ground, taxi to the east via Alpha, cross runway 33 at Alpha.
Alpha, cross 33 at Alpha, RV flight.
Okay, that's the end of our second flight, and we're gonna now have a good debriefing of both our flights. Oh, this is a burp, excuse me. And then we call it a day. So now it's time for RTB, or debriefing and cocktails. Thanks a lot for watching. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos like this. And now it is RTB for debriefing and cocktails. Thanks a lot. See ya.